Hi guys, Stuart here from Pocket-lint, and this is your first look at the retail packaging for the yellow iPhone XR. Before we start, we just want to have a quick thanks to EE for partnering with us on this video. Be sure to check out the link in the description box for their iPhone XR deals. So let's dive in. As you can see, the packaging is very familiar now. It's a clean white box complete with big raised iPhone graphic on the top showcasing the phone's new wallpapers. Underneath the phone is the usual cardboard sleeve that comes with the iPhones, with the twin Apple stickers, warranty info, illustrated start guide, and you'll also find the SIM ejector tool here as well. In the box, and despite being a big powerful phone, the wall adapter is the same 5-watt adapter we've had for years. It's also no surprise to see this phone shipped with a pair of lightning connector equipped earpods. It's perhaps disappointing to see there's no 3.5mm adapter as there was last year, but there is at least a lightning cable to charge it all with. But let's put all that away and get to the phone. The iPhone XR comes with a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina display, LCD to you and me, and comes in a variety of colours. We've been sent the yellow, but it also comes in blue, coral, white, red and black. The colours really pop, and whether you like the yellow as a custard or something else, it's a strong colour and we like it. Like the XS and the XS Max, there's a longish wake sleep button on the right, a lightning port alongside mic and speaker on the bottom, volume buttons and mute switch on the left. On the rear of the iPhone XR is a single rather than dual camera as found in the iPhone XS and XS Max. It still comes with the all-important portrait mode and still takes fantastic pictures. If you have an older iPhone model, you can make use of the quick start setup method that was introduced with iOS 11. Bring your two phones next to each other, make sure Bluetooth is on, and follow the process. You can then restore your new phone from an iCloud backup, pop in your SIM and the newly designed tray, and it will be just the same as you had with your last iPhone. Apple Watch users are also really nicely taken care of too, as it will do the transfer for you. Unlike the XS and XS Max, the iPhone XR also comes with Face ID. Easy to set up at the beginning, it takes about 10 seconds to do, and then whenever it comes to unlocking the phone in the future, all you need to do is look and swipe rather than having to worry about your finger or typing in a long passcode. It's when you put the iPhone XR alongside the iPhone X that you really see the scale of that 6.1-inch LCD display on the front. As you already know, inside Apple has a new A12 Bionic processor that not only makes it fast and efficient, but also means that features like Smart HDR in the camera and adjustable depth blow and portrait mode for photos are here too. Overall, it looks and feels fantastic. If you're after a big phone that's not actually that big, this is definitely one worth considering. And seeing as it's a lot cheaper than both the XS and the XS Max, this might just be the iPhone for everyone. You can read our full review on Pocket-lint.com now, so be sure to check that out again. The link is below. We'll also be bringing you some tips and tricks later this week, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I've been Stuart, and I'm Stuart Miles on all important social networks. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.